In this video, I'll show you how to change your WordPress admin password, a simple but crucial step to keep your site secure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. Click the login button at the top right and enter your credentials. Once logged in, head to mywordpress.com account. Next, navigate to Account Settings, then click on Security. Here you'll find the password option. Click it and enter your new password. Make sure it's strong, using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Finally, click Save Password to apply the changes. That's it. Your WordPress admin password is now updated, keeping your site secure. Remember to update passwords regularly and never share them.